This video is sponsored by Noragon, the commercial vehicle data experts. Visit noragon.com to learn more.
No, it's not working. I've got so many things to keep track of, and I'm just having a hard time with all of it. If only I could see everything I needed to right here. Wait a minute. There we go. Visibility really does help, doesn't it? For fleet managers, data is power, and there have never been as many tools for them to take advantage of as there are now. Fleet managers today are more connected to their trucks than ever, and the biggest benefit of that is visibility. Today's telematics offerings give fleet managers a real-time look at where assets are and what's going on with them, which is an immense help in planning, routing, and maintenance scheduling. After all, how can you know that you'll meet your commitments to your customers if you don't know where their trucks are, what they're hauling, and how much of it? The same goes for your drivers. Whether they've met their hours of service or not is data you can use to plan your routes and maximize your time throughout the fleet. But visibility isn't limited to simply where your trucks are. Which trucks are underperforming in fuel economy and why? Which trucks have fault codes and how severe are they? What is the nearest place for those trucks with severe fault codes to get serviced? With the right level of visibility, you can answer all of these questions and more. But it's not just about visibility, but about knowing what to do next. Visibility by itself isn't the key. It's the ability it gives you to make fast, data-backed decisions to improve your fleet's operations. Being able to spot an issue that will keep a delivery from getting where it's going on time allows you to step in and take the necessary steps to prevent that disruption or minimize it as much as possible. The same goes for on-road breakdowns or issues, an inevitability of our business. The sooner you see that something's happened and how severe it is, the sooner you can begin the process of doing something about it and minimize its damage to your daily operations. Visibility is all about fast, efficient decision making, and these decisions will lead to improved uptime and ultimately profits for your fleet. And speaking of visibility, that's a number that's going to be highly visible to your fleet. For even more trucking and equipment content, head over to the Fleet Equipment site at fleetequipmentmag.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.